This How to 1 Minute will show you how to roll back WordPress and undo WordPress updates. To roll back or undo updates for your WordPress plugins and themes, we want to install and activate a plugin. To do that, hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In this search plugins box, type here WP rollback and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are looking for. So install and activate this WP rollback plugin. Okay, once the plugin is successfully installed and activated, now as you can see, I'm in my plugin installed plugins, and here we can see all of my installed plugin. And here I can easily roll back or undo update for any plugin. We can see rollback option has been added to all of these plugins. So to undo any plugin update, just click on rollback, and then you will be able to easily select any older or previous version. Just select the version and click on rollback, and that's it. This is how we can roll back any plugin. And now let's see how to roll back or undo updates for themes. The same way, go to appearance and click on themes, and here you will get all of your installed themes. Now just click on the theme that you want to roll back. At the bottom right, here you will get rollback. Just click on that, and now select the version you want to roll back and click on rollback again, and that's it. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.